All right, 2007 Honda Ridgeline, a accelerator pedal position sensor, otherwise known as a throttle position sensor. New one looks like this. It is a Dorman 699199. New one looks like that. The old one looks like this. 10 millimeter screw here. There's one over here. Pull cover off. All right. Pull connector off. Then you need to loosen the cable by pushing in on this, and on the new one you can see it better and sliding the cable, and then it'll slide out to the left right there through that little notch. All right, so then loosen this backside bolt on the cable. All right, then we got three 10 millimeter bolts right here, one here, and then there's one on the back side. You get those from underneath. Then that whole bracket comes off. All right, and then there are two 10 millimeter bolts right there holding the sensor on, and that comes off. It is right here. So that's it. So 10 millimeter crescent wrench for the backside cable bolt, and you're good to go.